So he's on me right now. Stop it. Be nice. No. Good job. Good boy. Good job. Was that nice? Are you a good bird? Can I pet you? Yeah. Good job. Can you step up? No, don't bite. Hey. Hey. Be nice. Can I pet you? No, you're just going to bite me now. And see, he ducks down the back there where I can't get him, and he knows it. He's being a little better because the phone's here and he wants it. Can you step up? No, step up. Ah, pack it in. Stop it. Are you done? Can you step up? Step up. Come on. No biting. Come on. You're not going to bite my ear either. What are you doing? Step. That hurt. That hurt. Yeah. You're a bad bird. Ow. Ow. Pack it in. Good job. That's nice. Good boy. That's nice. No. Good job. Good boy. No.